Man-to-man defense na naman. On one fast break layup. It's good. Shortstopper using the block.
Basketball fans, sa panibagong araw na naman ng tagisan ng lakas, liksi at galing sa basketball. And to give you all the exciting actions on court, we are live on our digital channel GNTV-Naga channel 48.2. At napapanood din tayo sa cable via DCTV channel 10 Naga. And syempre, meron din tayong FB Live on GNTV-48 Facebook page and Bucal Facebook page. I am Frances Rona and with me is my partner David Joshua Bernales at kami po ang makakasama ninyo sa last day ng semifinals ng Bucal Season 4.
And syempre partner, ang ating matchup for today is between the NCF Tigers and the Shepherdville Rams. Pero bago tayo partner magsimula, I have with me the stat sheet of the Shepherdville Rams nung last outing nila nung quarterfinals match between the Greyhounds. So quick ano lang tayo partner na. So reason kung bakit sila naging winners anong last game nila is because of their 2-point field goal percentage. Super efficient, 58% from the field. And isa pa factors kung bakit sila nanalo is because of their defense. Total rebounds in that game was 50. 32 of which were defensive rebounds and 18 were offensive rebounds. And one more, yung mga unforced errors nila last game was very low. 20 turnovers lang for a single game nung kalaban nila yung Greyhounds. Napakaganda nung performance nila. And together, to top it off with 19 steals nung ball game na iyon. Ayan, partner. So, syempre, ito yung past game nung Shepherdville Rams. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter from the side of the Shepherdville Rams to give us an update kung ano ba ang plans ng Shepherdville Rams. Tawagin natin yan si Janelle.
Thank you, Francis and Joshua. We are back here again at the Ateneo Gymnasium, and I'm reporting from the corner of the Rams. With me is one of the assistant coach, Coach Jerome Martinez. So, Coach, good afternoon. Gladly nakapasok ang Shepherdville Rams sa semifinals. How does it feel and ano ang mga naging preparations nyo during this time?
Pinagandaan lang namin yung NCF kasi undefeated sila. Pero gagawin lang namin yung makakaya namin kasi as a Shepherd player before, as a Shepherd assistant coach, pinagandaan din namin sila, and we thankful na nakapasok kami sa Final Four kahit na rookie team kami.
Indeed, looking forward to your game. And ano po yung message nyo ngayon sa players ng Rams? Ano po yung message nyo ngayon sa player ng Rams?
Laro na nila yung laro nila, win or lose, di ba? Family pa din kami, just like nang before, di ba? Yun lang, laro na lang, God bless sa kanila lahat.
Okay, thank you so much, Coach. Muli, I am Maria Janelle Bijamano, reporting from the corner of the Shepherdville Rams. Yan muna ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle, and good luck po sa inyo coach and sa lahat ng Shepherdville Rams. Ayun partner, no? Prepared sila coach and yung Rams, and syempre pinag-aralan nila ang ating NCF Tigers kasi isa sa napaka best teams ang ating ang ating NCF Tigers.
Undefeated champion.
And syempre naman partner, let's talk a little bit about the NCF Tigers stat sheets ng quarter finals match nila against the Blue Dolphins. Kung kanina efficient ang Shepherdville Rams, dito naman partner, grabe, super efficient ang ating NCF Tigers when it comes to the 2-point field goal. 71% from the field. Sa 56 shots nila, they've made 48 of their 2-point field goals. Isa pa is their rebounds, 31 defensive rebounds, and partner, ito ang maganda, 26 steals together with a very low 26 turnovers.
Hindi lang nakalahati sa 2 points field goal, kundi naga 71%.
Napaka-efficient na masyado. And syempre partner, yung best player of the game nila, si Lim, scored 20 points. Napakaganda nun. Pero bago partner ang lahat, let's give honor to our Philippine National Anthem.
Players, coaches, shake hands.
Ayan partner, as you can see, we had our national anthem as we begin our semifinals match against the Shepherdville Rams and the NCF Tigers. Syempre, nakapag-warm up ng ating mga players, and magsisimula na ang ating matchup. Pero syempre partner, nakita na natin ang previous stats nila. Tawagin naman natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim to give us an update kung ano nga ba ang prepare ng ating NCF Tigers. Hi Kim!
That's right, Joshua and Francis. Nothing but pure excitement. May halong kaba ang nag-uumapaw here right now at the court side of the NCF Tigers for this semifinal game of Bucal Season 4. Pero if there's someone who's really feeling all sorts of emotions for this game, that would be the coach of the NCF Tigers that I was able to talk to kanina, Coach Genesius Molto Jr. Sabi nga ni Coach, lahat na samot-saring emosyon ay nararamdaman niya na ngayon. Pero they are prepared for this game. All out ang naging kanilang paghahanda. They had their daily practices wherein every single detail ay talagang binigyan nila ng atensyon, including the execution of their game. Kaya naman, let's see if the stars will align for the NCF Tigers this afternoon. Back to you, Joshua and Francis.
Salamat Kim for the update dyan sa ating NCF Tigers bench. So ayun partner, prepared, though mixed feelings. Ngayon si Coach Momo and the NCF Tigers, they have prepared for this matchup today, and handang-handa sila dito sa larong ito.
And yesterday, David, was a very intense battle between the Ateneo Golden Knights and the ACC, Green Serpents. And ngayon, I'm looking forward to witnessing same intensity between the Tigers and the Rams.
I expect the same as well kasi napakaganda nung pinakita ng Golden Knights and nung ACC. Pero syempre, one will be the winner dun sa matchup na yun. And syempre, ACC ang will go forward to the finals match. And ito ang last natin na game para sa semifinals. And makikita natin kung sino ang makakatapat ng ACC as we begin this tip-off. Panalo ang NCF with the tip-off. Quick 2-pointer para kay Lim, yung team captain ng ating NCF Tigers. 2 points kaagad, di pa nagsasampung segundo dito sa ating first quarter. Pero ngayon, ang nagdadala ng bola number 28 ng ating Rams. Martinez passes to the inside man, big man. Rito, layup is good. Beautiful layup by Rito for that 2-pointer to tie the game this first quarter of our semifinal match.
Palitan agad ng dos.
Yes,
Isang
partner.
minuto pa lang.
Malyapre ngayon, guarded by Areño. Double team, Sablon now with the ball. Passes to the team captain, Lim. Passes to the outside man, Malyapre. Downtown shot, no good. Offensive rebound, Sablon. Fires a long three. No good. Rebound, Areño. Going all the way. Passes to Vivares. Number 28 now with the ball. Into the hands of Martinez. To Areño. So again to shoot. Areño goes all the way. Passes to Rito. Rito floater. It's good. Rams have the lead early in this quarter. 2-point lead by the Rams. Malyapre now with the ball. To Sablon. Sablon. Pump fakes. Passes to the outside man. Quick trigger three. It's good. Masinas with a 3-pointer got him fired up as the Tigers take the lead in this first quarter. Turnover ngayon, steal by Masinas. Floater, no good. Rebound, Areño. Nagmamadali ngayon ang ating Shepherdville Rams. 2-on-2 fast break, layup, no good. Rito offensive rebound, it's good. 6 straight points for Rito in this first quarter. Grabe, partner, siya ngayon ang nagdadala ng bola para sa ating Shepherdville Rams.
Ating big man na si Rito.
Napakaganda ng performance niya, pero Masinas ngayon susubok sana ng tres. Defense by Vivares, still fires a 3. Masinas, no good. Offensive rebound, Sablon, mid-range jumper, in and out. Another offensive rebound, but a foul is called by the referee. Foul called on number 10. To inbound ngayon si Lim ng ating NCF Tigers. Magawa ng play. Masinas na yun, completing the inbound. Tapped away by number 28, but still, it's going to be NCF ball. 7.5 minutes remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Lamang ng 1 point ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Arenzana completes that, but he turns the ball over. Now, it goes into the hands of number 28 for the Shepherdville Rams. Tight D by the Tigers. Martinez with the ball. Passes to the inside man. Smothered D by Malyapre. And that's going to be a traveling violation. Turnover by the Shepherdville Rams. Bola ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Lim ngayon nagdadala ng bola para sa ating NCF Tigers. Screenplay by Arenzana. Lim passes to the outside man. Malyapre pump fakes. Penetrates, floater, no good. Stepped out of bounds Martinez, and that's still going to be NCF ball. 30-second shot clock para sa ating Tigers. 30 seconds to shoot. Arenzana finds Sablon, bump fakes, penetrates. Passes to Lim. Thought about that three. Back to Sablon, fires. No good. Rebound Areño ngayon. Going all the way, passes to Martinez, loses that ball, that's going to be a turnover. Malyapre, toss that ball to Areño, pero yun, bola pa rin ng ating Tigers. Lim ngayon mag-inbound the ball pero may quick substitution si coach ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Pinasok si 12, Buelo.
Yun, lalabas si Martinez. Ito partner, makikita mo no ang intensity ng game na ito. Still outside the ball game, going late into this first quarter between the Rams and the Tigers. Lim there with a three, that's good. Nothing but the net para kay Alexander Lim. Number 28 again, crossing over, but a steal was caught by Lim. Pass to Masinas, and that's going to be a traveling violation. Little miscommunication between Masinas and Sablaon there with the pass by Lim. That's going to cost them. And that's going to be a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams. Ang ating score 8-6. Lamang ang ating NCF Tigers. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Man-to-man defense na naman. Paging 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. Shortstopper using the block.
You are watching Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV. 8-6 ang ating score and lamang ng 2 points ang NCF Tigers and meron na lamang 5 minutes and 59 seconds sa ating first quarter.
Ayun, partner. Showing off ang ating both teams ngayon early in this first quarter. Napakaganda ng mga pinapakita ng mga players from both sides. Pero ngayon, back to the ball game tayo. Bola ngayon ng ating Rams. Double team by the Tigers. Almost losing the ball for the Rams. Outside pass by number 28. Pasok ang mid-range jumper ni Buela, giving him 2 points and tying this ball game.
And maraming salamat sa ating 1.1k viewers sa ating FB Live. Maraming salamat po sa pagsubaybay.
Grabe, napakarami ng mga viewers natin ngayon and kahapon sa ating Facebook Live. Pero yun, may turnover ang ating NCF Tigers. No miscommunication there. Bola ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Bola pala ng NCF Tigers, partner. Baliktad. Sablaon ngayon, gumagawa ng play para sa kanyang team. Finds Lim. Penetrates. Passes to Sablaon. Sablaon pump fakes. catching two defenders there from his fake. Pero naagaw ni Buela. Fast break ngayon, Areño. Layup, no good. Guevares with a follow-up. Still no good. Offensive rebound ngayon, Masinas. Lim with the ball. Lim fires a three. That's going to be an air ball into the hands of number 28 of the Rams. Number 28 ngayon. Three-pointer by Buela. That's still no good. Offensive rebound. Areño. Pump fakes. Passes to Guevares. Floater to Guevares. Still no good. That's going to be NCF ball. Quick substitution ngayon si Coach Mama, partner.
Templo Nuevo and Ariate.
Same din sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Substitution, 28 out, 15 in. Chance to get the lead here para sa NCF Tigers. In about 44 minutes and 20 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Ariate ngayon. San Gabriel fires a three. In and out. Rico with that rebound. Areño to Buela. Guevares fires a three. No good. And to give us a quick update on the side of our Rams bench, let us call on our courtside reporter, Janelle. Hi, Janelle.
Thank you, Francis and Joshua. Earlier during the huddle, one of the coaches reminded and pointed 3 keys to the boys. Let's dribble, break the press, and focus. He reminded the boys na ang laro ng Shepherd and they shall bring home the win. During the first minutes of the game, the coaches foresee na masyadong gigil ang players. Ika nga ni coach na kailangan nilang iangat ang laro at huwag panggigilan. Yun lamang ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat, Janelle. And yun, partner, 3 keys daw para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Pag-isipan, pass the ball, and wag maging masyadong aggressive, sabi ni coach sa kanyang mga players.
Napakahalagang reminder.
And Amalyapre with that steal, stolen away by Buela. Into the hands of Areño, passes to Amor. Amor, quick pass to Rito. Rito, a foul! Count it! And a chance for a 3-point play. Grabe, partner, mainit ngayon ang laro ni Rito inside of the paint area. As you can see from our instant replay, excellent passing here by Amor, finding Rito. And a foul, a chance to give him this 3 points dito sa ating charity stripe. Templo Nuevo gets that foul, his first foul of this ball game. And Rito does not complete the 3-point play. But there was a whistle called by our referee. I think they're going to have a take 2 on that free throw by Rito. And then Rito going to get his second free throw dito. And he completes that 3-point play. Lamang ngayon ng dalawa ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Ariate ngayon making the play. Passes to Malyapre. Malyapre to San Gabriel. Pump fakes. Penetrates. That's going to be a traveling violation. Turnover for the NCF Tigers.
And sa buong season ng season 4 ng Bucal, mukhang mas madami ngayon yung fans ng ating Shepherdville Rams hindi nagpatalo sa NCF Tigers.
Yun, partner, no? Coming all the way from the Partido area, they're going to support their team as number 15 Amor fires a mid-range jumper. No good. Offensive rebound by Buela. Still no good. Hitting that backboard. Ariate ngayon with the ball. Passes to the outside man. Pump fake San Gabriel. Passes to Masinas. A 3. No good. Rebound ngayon ni Buela. Loses the ball but still in the hands of the Shepherdville Rams.
Substitution na sa team NCF. Pinasok si number 28 Alessano and magpapahingaw na si San Gabriel.
Nunez din lalabas. Ay papasok and lalabas naman si Rito. Napay, papasok din, lalabas si Areño ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Lumabi ngayon with the ball, making the play para sa kanyang team. Bigyan ng screen kay Buela. Lumabi ngayon, passes to the outside man, quick trigger, no good. Malyapre with that rebound. Loses the ball, stolen but taken back away by Malyapre. Ariate ngayon, passes to Lezano. Three-pointer is good para kay Lezano. Change favor for this ball game. Lamang ng isa ang NCF Tigers. Let's see kung may sagot si Napay. No good. That's gonna be NCF ball. NCF Tigers bench getting fired up here in this ball game. Super excited sila, partner. Napakarami pati ng mga supporters ng ating NCF Tigers ngayon. Ariate to Lezano. Passes to the outside man, Masinas. Step back, pass to Lezano. Long three by Lezano. That's gonna be no good for his attempt. Offensive rebound, Templo Nuevo. Tapped away into the hands of Catamora. Lezano crossing over, loses it to Ariate, penetrates, passes to Masinas. That's going to be no good. Beautiful defense by the Shepherdville Rams, and a whistle was called by the referee. Foul on number 14. That's going to be second personal foul by Templo Nuevo. He is going out of the hard court. Papasok si Gabito. Napay ngayon may dala ng bola para sa Shepherdville Rams. Miscommunication there. Gonna be the ball of the NCF Tigers. Rico ngayon, substitute Buela. Minute and a half remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Lamang ng isa ang NCF Tigers. Catamora passes to Ariate. Let's see if they will get the lead here, pero may whistle si referee. Foul on Lumabi as he falls to the ground by that crossover by Ariate. That's going to be a pushing foul on Lumabi. Inbound ngayon, Ariate. Masinas gets that inbound. Pass to Ariate. Lezano gets the ball. Mid-range jumper, Lezano. No good. Napay with the rebound. On the offense ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams, Rico. Oh, foul was called. That call goes to Lezano, number 28. That's going to be his first personal foul. $14 seconds to shoot. Napay, quick trigger three. That's going to be an airborne into the hands of Ariate. Fast break ngayon. Masinas. No good sa kanyang layup. And that's going to be out of bounds para sa Tigers. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Low scoring quarter ngayon, partner. Only 12 points and 11 points para sa NCF and Shepherdville Rams. Grabe ang depensa ng parehong kupunan dito.
And meron na lamang tayong 40 seconds sa ating first quarter.
Ariate going all the way. Layup that was blocked by Rico. Bola ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Both teams parehong nagpapakita ng magandang depensa sa isa't isa. Napay ngayon nasa opensa. And may foul na tinawag ang ating ref. That's gonna be a foul called on Catamora, number 27. Papasok ngayon si Vivares to substitute Lumabi.
And Sablaon.
Or to inbound the ball into the hands of Napay to Vivares. That's gonna be a long three para kay Vivares. That's good. A three-pointer para kay Vivares. Kahit napakalayo ng distansya, pasok pa rin ang bola. Lead change ngayon. Rams with the lead. Sablaon to Ariate. Let's see if they will retake this lead. Gabito to Sablaon. Penetrates. Passes to Masinas. That's a block. Rebound ngayon. Fast break. 2-on-1 fast break. Amor to Napay. Napay. No good. Put back by Vivares. to end the quarter. 16-12 ang ating score as we end this first quarter. Lamang ng 4 ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Man-to-man defense na naman. Maging 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin aksyon dito sa loob ng GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. Shepherdville Rams versus the NCF Tigers. At second quarter na tayo and lamang ng 4 points ang Shepherdville Rams.
Yes, partner. Low scoring quarter ngayon sa ating Shepherdville Rams as we start. Katamoro with that steal. No good para sa kanyang layup. Pares with the ball. Ngayon and to the outside man, number 11 passes to the big man into Amor. Fakes, no good. Rebound ngayon ni Katamora. Malyapre ngayon nagdadala ng bola para sa Tigers. Crossing over Vivares, penetrates, no good, no whistle from the referee. Offensive rebound, Sablon, layup is no good. Amor with that rebound, and that's gonna be Shepherd ball. Number 11 with the ball ngayon, heavily guarded by Sablaon. The whistle was called. That's going to be a foul called on Sablaon, number 22.
Substitution sa team ng Rams, pinasok si number 10. Arenio.
14-second shot clock here para sa Shepherdville Rams. Arenio completes the play, passes to number 8, back to Arenio. Going all the way, extra pass to Nunez. It's good para kay Nunez. Extending the lead for the Shepherdville Rams. Ariate ngayon, let's see kung may sagot siya para dito sa ating NCF Tigers. Sablaon, blocked by Arenio. What a beautiful D. Offensive rebound ngayon, Katamora. Passes to Ariate. That's gonna be no good para sa kanyang 3-pointer. Arenio, stolen by Sablaon. Layup para sa kanya. That's gonna be good para kay Sablaon.
And to give us an update, tawagin na natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim all the way from Tiger side. Hi Kim, ano ang update mo dyan?
Well, thank you Joshua and Francis. NCF Tigers na mas agresibo, mas malakas pero mananatiling disiplinado pa rin. Yan daw ang makikita natin sa kanila for the semifinal knockout game against the Shepherdville Rams. Considering the performance so far, coach has said na hindi sila mananalo sa gigil kaya dapat relax lang and stay composed. Help the helper, bawiin sa takbo, mas maging mabilis and make good decisions every second of the game. This is their ticket to the championship kaya naman coach wants the team to show hindi 100% kundi 200% for this knockout game. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Joshua and Francis.
Salamat Kim, all the way from the court side of our Tigers. And yung partner, no, stay disciplined and relax lang dito sa ball game na ito. Yun ang sabi ni Coach Momo sa kanyang mga players as Coach Momo again calls for a timeout dito sa ating second quarter.
And bawiin lahat sa takbo and make a good decision. Hindi lang 100% kundi 200%.
Yes, partner. No, proven effective yun yung strategy ni Coach Momo as Sablon kanina, nakikita pa lang natin before the timeout. He gets a steal from Areño and napaka-fast pace nun and a layup to stop the bleeding dito para sa NCF Tigers by Sablon. And then as we go back sa ating ball game coming out of this timeout, ball possession ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers because of a little miscommunication by the Shepherdville Rams turning the ball over. Malyapre ngayon to Katamora, almost losing the ball. Mase ngayon, may dala ng bola para sa Tigers. Mase, thought about that three, passes to Malyapre. Malyapre fires anyway, despite of the tight D, in and out ang kanyang three-pointer. Number 28 with the ball, passes to Rico. Rico guarded by Malyapre, losing that ball. That's gonna be a turnover para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Mase now. Guard for the NCF Tigers making a play. Passes to Sablon. To Malyapre. Back to Mase. Mase fires the three. Using the ball for that three-pointer. 2-point lead na lang ang hawak ng ating Rams. Duates. Quick floater, no good. Rebound by Arenzana. Sablon ngayon, 2-on-1 fast break. Sablon, layup, it's good! Plus a foul! And a chance to make it a three-point play. Sablaon, despite the tight defense, gets that two-pointer plus a foul for the NCF Tigers. And a chance to get this lead para sa Tigers. Sablon now in the charity stripe to get his bonus free throw. Sablon completes a three-point play, giving them the lead this second quarter. Substitution ngayon, pasok si Rito, labas si Nunez para sa Shepherdville Rams. 7.5 minutes remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Lamang ng 1 point ang Tigers. Duetas ngayon, mamadali, using his body to get that floater, no good. Rebound ngayon, Mase. Sila naman ang nagmamadali. Mase, to Malyapre. Layup, it's good! 3-point lead by the Tigers. Mapabawi pa ito ni Duetas. It's good. Balik sa 1 point ang lamang ng Tigers. Napaka-fast pace ng play na yon by the Shepherdville Rams. Mase with the ball ngayon. Guarded by Vivares. Vivares to Sablaon. Sablaon thought about that three. Goes, penetrates, flutter. It's good. Using the board again by Sablaon. Back-to-back clutch plays by Sablaon again. Areño nagmamadali. Passes to the outside man. Vivares a three. No good. That's still gonna be Shepherdville Rams ball. Last touch by Arenzana.
Parami-rami ang ating FB Live viewers.
Yes,
Kaya maraming salamat po.
Inbound play there by Vivares, broken by the tight D of the NCF Tigers. 1.6k viewers, partner sa ating Facebook page. Shoutout sa inyo sa lahat ng mga manonood natin dyan.
Sa Tigers fans and sa fans ng Shepherdville Rams.
Rito tries a 3 there. Doesn't get that shot in. Maliapre now with the ball. 4v2 fast break broken down by that defense by the Rams. Mase ngayon kay Sablaon. Sablaon fires the 3. No good this time. Into the hands of Rito. Vipares. 2-on-2 fast break. Arenzana. Into that ball. That's going to be NCF ball as Vipares turns that ball over.
6 minutes and 10 seconds sa ating second quarter. 24-21 lamang pa rin ang NCF Tigers.
Hype na partner ang ating NCF fans dito sa ating GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. That's gonna be a quick turnover by Mase. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Ariate papasok. Lalabas ngayon si Maliapre. Duetes with the ball. Passes to Rico. Rico to Rico. Floater, no good. Put back by Vivares, still no good. That's still gonna be Rams ball. Substitution ngayon si coach of the Rams, Martinez. Papasok, lalabas ngayon si Rico.
And to give us a quick update, tawagin natin si Janelle from the Shepherdville Rams side. Hi Janelle, ano ang update mo dyan?
Thank you, Joshua and Francis. We're having a tight game between the Rams and the Tigers, but still nakakalamang man ang kabilang kumpunan na gagawa pa rin makabawi ng Rams. We can see na gumagana ang gameplay ng Rams. Nevertheless, patuloy na nare-remind ng coaches ang boys na iwasan ang hindi dapat gawin at huwag sayangin ang laro. Kasing init ng tensyon ng audience ang init ng laro. As for their game adjustments, the coach reminded the boys to always set their play and find good opportunities to shoot. Yun lamang ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat Janelle for that update sa ating Rams bench. Ayun partner, no? Set plays and be mindful of the ball. Yun nga ang sabi ng ating coach of the Shepherdville Rams. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game. Beautiful mid-range jumper there by Ariate. 3-point lead ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers, taken away by Vipares. NCF ngayon, NCF now holds a 1-point lead as Ariate makes a play para sa ating Tigers. Ariate to Arenzana. Sablaon penetrates. That's gonna be a foul called on number 28 ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Lim ngayon, papasok, lalabas si Mase ng ating NCF Tigers. Ariate to Katamora. Ngayon into the hands of the team captain. Ariate with a 3, no good. And a whistle was blown by the referee. And I think Coach Momo wants a review of that sequence that happened inside the paint area. Fans are getting hyped here inside of the gymnasium as the referees review that sequence na nangyari kanina doon sa ating paint area ng Shepherdville Rams. And syempre partner, as rini-review ng ating mga referees, we will take a very short break dito sa ating ball game na ito. Syempre, we are still live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
man-to-man defense na naman. Paging 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 brings in a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito sa GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium.
Number 10, a sportsmanlike foul. Number 20 of Timothy, a sportsmanlike foul. Save ball.
And ayun partner, sabi ng ating referees as they watch that review, double on sportsmanlike fouls for Arenzana and Duetes of NCF and the Shepherdville Rams. Same ball ngayon, bola ng ating NCF Tigers. Ariate ngayon mag-i-inbound ng bola para sa ating NCF Tigers. Arenzana completes the inbound. Lim, team captain ng ating Tigers, passes to Sablon, fires the 3, in and out, no good. And the whistles were blown there by the referee. Medyo umiinit na ngayon ang ating ball game. Same ball, still possession by the NCF Tigers. Four minutes, 7 seconds remaining dito sa ating quarter. Still a tight ball game. 1 point lead hawak ng ating Tigers, 26-25. Referees discussing something with the head coach of our Shepherdville Rams as the band and the fans of our Tigers are getting hyped up here in the gymnasium. May nakita ka pa partner, sumasayaw, dancing to the beat ang ating fans ng ating Tigers.
Yan ang Tigers sa Beat Battalion.
Lim ngayon may dala ng bola, mid-range jumper, no good. That's gonna be Shepherd ball.
Number 5 Martinez inbounding the ball.
Nevares with the ball right now. Humingi ng screen kay Martinez, fires a long 3 ngayon si Nevares, no good. Rebound into the hands of Lim. Mamadali ngayon si Lim, passes to Masinas, blocked by number 25 into the hands of Sablaon. That double clutch fake, still no good para kay Sablaon, into the hands of Ariate ngayon, and a foul was called. That's gonna be a foul called on number 10. Bola pa rin ngayon ng ating Tigers. Ariate to inbound the ball. And that's going to be a timeout called by Coach Momo of the NCF Tigers. 26-25 pa rin ang ating score. 3.5 minutes remaining dito sa second quarter. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Number 2 brings in a foul. Man-to-man defense na naman. Line up, ang 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good. Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
You are watching Bucal Season 4 live on GNN Sports TV. 26-25 ang ating score, lamang ng 1 point ang NCF Tigers, and meron na lamang tayong 3 minutes and 30 seconds sa ating second quarter.
Ball possession ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers as the Tigers wait for the Shepherdville Rams to come out of that huddle. 14 seconds shot clock ngayon para sa Tigers. 14 seconds to make a basket para sa kanila. Lim ngayon passes to Ariate. Ariate ngayon naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Sablon. Sablon fires a 3. It's good! Para kay Bang Sablon!
Coming from the timeout, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim kasama ang Tigers. Hi Kim, ano ang update mo dyan?
Well, thank you, Joshua and Francis. Nalamangan man ng first quarter, the Tigers were able to recover so far dito sa ating second quarter, responding soundly to the challenge of the coaches. Coach Momo said 200% of what they can. Coach Brian said perfect effort for this battle, while as per Coach Apple, ipakita ang mga pangil when playing at the hard court at mas ipakita pa ang bangis ng isang Tigre katulad ng past seasons. Tension is getting higher among some of the players, kaya Coach Momo is reminding countlessly the Tigers na huwag papatol. Dapat ay gamitin ang utak at huwag emosyon ang pairalin. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim. An update from the NCF Tigers bench. One thing, partner, na nagustuhan ko dun sa sinabi ni Coach Momo sa kanyang mga players, always keep your head cool o huwag masyadong maapektuhan sa kung ano man ang matatawag ng referee. Kapag pikon ka, talo ka sa ballgame nito, kahit anong sports, yun palagi ang dapat mong isipin. Always stay calm, huwag iinit ang ulo.
Huwag na huwag magpapadala sa emosyon.
Kanina nakita natin, nahalata natin na medyo umiinit nga yung mga ulo ng mga players kanina din sa mga calls ng ating mga referees. Pero yan, the show must still go on. 3-point lead ngayon hawak ng ating NCF Tigers with almost 2.5 minutes remaining dito sa ating first half. As Vibares now holding the ball for the Tigers and for the Rams. Rito almost losing that ball. Penetrates, spins, layup, blocked by Masinas. And rebound ni Masinas into the hands of Ariate. Ariate ngayon to Lim. Making a play para sa kanyang team. 14 seconds to shoot para sa Tigers. Lim, extra pass to the outside man. Miscommunication, that's going to be a turnover para sa ating Tigers.
Substitution na sa Rams, pinasok si number 22, Napay.
Ilabas naman si Vibares to take a quick rest para sa ating Rams.
Pinasok din si number 8, Nunez.
Lumabi ngayon with the ball, guarded by the team captain of the Tigers. Asks for a screen. That's going to be a turnover by Lumabi. Stolen by Masinas. Floater on the offensive side. Beautiful defense and offense by Masinas of the Tigers. Napay ngayon with the ball. Penetrates, passes to Rito. Reverse layup is good para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. 32-29 ang ating score. A minute and a half remaining dito sa ating first half. Sablon to Ariate ngayon ang gumagawa ng play para sa kanyang team. Screen para kay Renzana. Sablon. Hindi ng screen. Sablon penetrates. Using that board, assist to himself. Beautiful play by Sablon. That's basketball IQ at its finest by Sablaon, and another turnover stolen by Ariate. Back-to-back 2-pointers para sa ating Tigers. Lumolobo na ang kalamangan nila. Coach Parco goes down as Lim hits the stats team dito. And I think Coach JR and Alexander Lim, the team captain, are all right there kanina. And grabe kasi yung hustle ni Alexander kanina doon, and tumawag ng timeout siya Coach Momo dito. 36-29 pa rin ang ating score. 48 seconds remaining dito sa ating quarter. We will take a very short commercial break as Coach Parco tends to his injuries. And a little banter here by the referees on Coach JR Parco. Humihingi ng review yung isang referee kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari doon. Now going back dito sa ating ball game as the timeout runs out. We can see dito yung huddle ng ating NCF Tigers as they gain a very big lead dito sa ating ball game na to. Highest lead para sa ating NCF Tigers into this ball game. Bola ngayon ng Rams. Nunez to inbound the ball. Villanueva gets that inbound. Double team ngayon ng ating Tigers. He's gonna step in the line. That's gonna be a turnover. Nice defense by the champions of Bucal Season 3, the Tigers. 43 seconds remaining. Ariate now with the ball. Bigyan ng screen si Ariate. Masinas now with the ball. Fires a 3. Masinas, no good. And a steal attempt there by one of the Tigers. Gone wrong. Someone's on the floor. Nunez fires. No good. Rito with the rebound. Passes to Napay. Napay for 3. No good offensive rebound. Rito. Attempt. No good. And one of the Tigers player is on the floor ngayon. Some of the coaching staff are in the hardcourt ngayon. Titingnan kung ano ang nangyari. Kaya I think that's Ariate, partner, no?
Yes, that's Ariate.
Ariate is on the floor as he tries to attempt a steal there kanina. May tumama sa kanya kanina and diretso siya sa floor. And titingnan natin kung ano ba talaga yung nangyari doon.
Mamaya hihingan natin ng update agad yung ating courtside reporter na si Kim.
9 seconds remaining dito sa ating quarter, and I think Ariate is okay dito. He was just a little rattled kanina doon sa impact. Sa attempt niya sa steal. Ariate will go out, I think.
Ay, mukhang patuloy ang laban kay Ariate.
Patuloy ang laban. But the referees insist na lumabas muna si Ariate. Nasano ngayon papasok para sa ating Tigers. Bola pa rin ng ating Rams. With 9 seconds remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Napay, pump fakes. Passes to Nunez. Nunez ngayon. To Villanueva. Fires. No good. Rito with that attempt again. No good, and that is the end of our first half. Ang ating score 36-29 lamang ang NCF Tigers as we end the first half of this ball game. Huwag kayong aalis, magbabalik kami para sa halftime analysis. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
Hi, I'm Maria Janelle B. Jumano from Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Incorporated, your courtside reporter this Bucal Season 4. Isa sa mga pinagkakabalan ko is to focus on my academics and involve ako sa mga organizations sa loob ng school namin. Also, I'm a volunteer on several organizations outside my school and sa lugar namin. And since pinaglalaanan ko ng oras ang academics ko ngayon, isa sa reason dahil 2 years from now, I'll be graduating from my course Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management sa Mariners Naga. As your courtside reporter, ihahatid ko sa inyo ang update about sa team hindi lang kung saan ako nanggaling na school, kundi sa iba't ibang colleges na involved ngayong Bucal Season 4.
Sa oras ng sakuna, isa sa mga kailangan natin sa ating tahanan ay isang gubag. Ang isang gubag ay naglalaman ng tubig, mga dilata at biscuits upang hindi tayo magutom, energy bars or energy drink, first aid kit, communication devices tulad ng flashlights at batteries, whistles o pito, portable radio at extra cellphone. Mas mabuti kung meron tayong prepaid load guard. Tools tulad ng Swiss knife at gunting. Maaari din tayo magdagdag ng lubid. At huwag natin kakalimutan ang hygiene kit na naglalaman ng sabon, tissue, toothpaste, toothbrush at face mask. Sa lahat ng oras, laging bukas nakahanda ang aming tanggapan. Tandaan, ang Bicolanong alerto, pirming protektado.
Magsama-sama tayong magbalitaan at kwentuhan dito sa GNTV-48 So ngunyan yaw kita digdi sa World of Water. Oh, wow! So ngunyan hihilingon ta po ang machine. Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infles. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner!
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Dialenes from Naga College Foundation, your courtside reporter for Bucal Season 4. I am a student journalist, a student leader. I also like taking care of my cats and visiting coffee shops. I am so thrilled and excited to be one of your courtside reporters for this season of Bucal. Kaya naman, samahan po ninyo ako para sa mga updates, diskusyon at mga silip eksena at the courtside for this season of Bucal.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? I-level up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Ano po ang pagkaintindi mo kayang kagawa?
Ang katuyahan po, kan pagkakaigwaning teleradyo, iyan tanganing mas komprehensibong maipaabot si mga bareta.
Ang nakapalaman sa satuya pong konstitusyon. Ingat lang ta, medyo may COVID pa kita. Luwas mong makaning face mask.
Bako lang po sa radyo,
Asintado!
sa Facebook o social media, kundi pati po sa telebisyon.
Mayo man paulit-ulit. Pagbago na naman ang presidente, arog na naman kayan.
Ako, si Joe Osabal, sa Asintado sa Telerad, digdi sa GNTV-48 Naga.
This event is brought to you by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. And enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons until the end of July at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
man-to-man defense na naman. Line up, ang 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good.
Shortstopper using the back. All the way, number 2 makes him a foul.
Welcome in the half viewers as we are set to give you the halftime analysis on our first 20 minutes of action. Kaya David, kindly walk us through.
Ayun partner, no? So 36-29 at the end of the first half, lamang ang ating NCF Tigers. Hindi naman masyadong mataas yung kanilang kalamangan. Pero ito yung mga factors kung bakit may kalamangan ngayon ng kaunti ang ating NCF Tigers. Unang-una sa lahat, ito lang partner na yung significant thing na meron dun kanina sa ating first half, it's the turnovers na meron ang both teams. 9 para sa ating Tigers, pero sa ating Shepherdville Rams 22 kaagad. Yung last nilang game against the UNC Greyhounds sa kanilang game kanina ay yung sa kanilang game last week 20 lang yung turnovers nila doon, pero ngayon first half pa lang 22 na kaagad ang kanilang turnovers dito sa ballgame na ito. Kailangan mag-make ng changes ni coach para sa Shepherdville Rams kung gusto nilang makahabol dito sa ating second half.
Yun, maraming salamat David. Angan ngayon naman coming from the break. Tawagin natin si Kim for an update. Hi Kim, ano ang update natin dyan?
Thank you, Joshua and Frances. Nako, eto, may special akong kasama for this report. Well, kung suporta lang naman Joshua and Frances ang pag-uusapan, nako, nangunguna ang NCF community dyan. It's undeniable that the NCF Tigers community are dominating the crowd right now. At para sa isang mabilisang kwentuhan kung paano ba ang kanilang suporta for this game, kasama ko ngayon si...
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako po pala si John Paulo B. Moral from Naga College Foundation.
Ayan, JP, eto, good afternoon. Bakit ba NCF Tigers ang sinusuportahan mo for this season of Bucal?
Sinusuportahan ko ang NCF kasi nakikita ko sa kanila na napaka-passionate nila, dedicated and hardworking this season. And for me, it's a big privilege to us and to all NCA na makarating dito sa quarterfinals. And yan lang.
Alright, eto, ano naman ang message mo para sa ating mga Tigre?
Good luck, Tigers. Alam kong kaya nyo yan. Fighting Tigers.
Fighting Tigers. Eto, JP, lahat ng na-interview ko dito for this fan interview ay nagbibigay ng sample ng kanilang roar. Ikaw ba, ano ang cheer mo at roar for our Tigers?
Let's go, Tiger! Let's go! Roar!
Alright, thank you so much for that energetic cheer for our NCF Tigers. JP, maraming salamat at kita-kits later. Well, that's it for now. Back to you, Joshua and Frances.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim and JP for that interview. And partner, sabi nga ni Kim, kung sa paramihan lang naman ng fans dito sa ating gymnasium ngayon, lamang ang ating NCF Tigers sa fanbase ngayong game na ito. Pero ayan partner, no, going back sa ating ball game, kanina may hawak ng double-digit lead ang ating Tigers and ngayon ibalik nila 11-point lead para sa Tigers. 7 minutes 40 seconds remaining dito sa ating second half, third quarter. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Areño fires that mid-range jumper, offensive rebound para kay Rito. No good, another chance para kay Areño and a foul was called by the referee.
Now let's check in with the other side with our courtside reporter Janelle. Hi Janelle, ano ang update mo sa side ng Rams?
Thank you, Francis and Joshua, for this time. Let's have a quick conversation muna with one of the audiences. With me is Kian John Soriao, a basketball enthusiast and a junior basketball varsity of Shepherdville. Kumusta dyan?
Lang po.
Okay, so how does it feel na nakapasok ang Rams sa semifinals this Bucal Season 4?
Sobrang
Okay, and as a student in the Varsity of Shepherdville, ano yung nilook forward mo for the gameplay ng Rams?
Sipagan lang po nila sa offense at defense at sundin lang po ang pinapagawa ng mga coaches. Yun lang po.
Okay, yun lamang muna ang update dito. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Janelle. And syempre, maraming salamat din kay Kian, isang varsity ng Shepherdville Rams. And ayan nga, partner, no? Nagkakainitan ng ating ball game na ito. Double-digit lead ang hawak ngayon ng ating Tigers as the Rams turn the ball over. Ariate, layup is good. Mukhang hindi na masakit yung kung ano man yung dinadamdam niya kanina as he goes down. Pero may timeout na tinawag ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. 47-32 ang ating score lamang ang NCF Tigers. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNTV Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Man-to-man defense na naman. Paging 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Meron pa rin tayo nga 6 minutes and 44 seconds, 47-32 lamang ang NCF Tigers.
Ayan, partner, so tumawag ng timeout kanina yung ating Shepherdville Rams to make some changes dito sa ating third quarter. Medyo nagsastruggle ng onte ang ating Rams as the Tigers build a double-digit lead dito early in the third quarter. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game, another turnover by the Rams. That's a problem they have been struggling on since the first half. Ngayon, Malyapre almost losing the ball. Malyapre ngayon pump fakes. Loader, no good. And there was a whistle called by our referee. That's gonna be Shepherdville ball. For 13 gets that foul.
Ito na yung dapat na iwasan ng Shepherdville Rams.
Yes,
Yung
partner.
hindi dapat nila i-maintain yung 22 steals and hindi dapat nila dagdagan na yun.
Yes. And I think ang strategy ngayon ni Coach Momo, he will go for a full court press dito sa ating ball game na to. Yesterday, partner, full court trapping was very effective against the Golden Knights as syempre ACC yung nanalo kahapon. Napakaganda ng defense ang pinapakita nila. And I think Coach Momo got something out of that game last night. as Ariate passes to Sablon. Ngayon Katamora fires a 3. That's an air ball. Rebound ngayon ni Amor into the hands of Duetes. Ariate serving the scene, trying to get that ball away from Duetes, but Rico ngayon passes to Duetes, and that's going to be a traveling violation. And I think something happened. Kanina dun sa traveling violation, referee will go to the table of officials. And I think the referees will review the play kanina by Duetes and Ariate.
And ngayon, David, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. So we have the Naga College Foundation, the Chilitos Resort, owned and managed by Bis Flor Azana, and the Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, Congressman Gabi Bordado of 3rd District, Kamsura Viaje, owned and managed by Miss Kea Floriano, Department of Tourism, Region of 5, Regional Director Mr. Herbie Aguas, Flowers and Beyond, owned and managed by Miss Mars Aleniante, Wow Worlds of Water, Mangkoks Kinalas, owned and managed by Miss Emeline Salgado, Lemon Residences located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, Own Style Graphic Design Services, and Converge ICT Solution. Mamaya papasalamatan natin yung iba.
And I think, partner, wala naman siguro yung review kanina as we proceed dito sa ating third quarter. Bola ngayon ang ating Tigers. Sablaon with that ball. Steps back, fires a 3. Sablaon, no good. Offensive rebound, Katamora. Passes to the wrong man, Rico with that steal. Rico to Duetes. Rams ngayon, may dala ng bola. Passes to Amor, fires a 3. That's no good. Katamora with that rebound, now in the hands of Ariate. Ariate to Templo Nuevo. Floater, no good for Rivera. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Amor to Duetes.
And pasalamatan din natin ang Naga Yona Travel and Tours and GCP National Grid Corporation of the Philippines, Cafe Amigo, SMCP Naga, NCF Driving School, AET Ads, NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings, Cap Azona Peña Floor, NCF Training Pool, and Doña Osa Catering Services. Maraming salamat po.
And the substitutions for both teams here. Bola ngayon ng ating Rams. 14-second shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot para sa Rams. Vivares fires an open 3, no good. Offensive rebound, Buela steps in the line. That's going to be a turnover para sa Rams.
For an update, tawagin natin si Janelle kasama ang Rams. Hi Janelle, ano ang nasagap mong update dyan?
We can see that the Tigers are dominating in the first half, but the Rams still manages to make good scores to dominate. During the huddle, the Rams had a few game adjustments, and they had many options to set their play, and they set their defense to arrow. The coaches also reminded continuously at the boys every huddle to always push the ball and focus on their game. Yun lang ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle. Always push the ball and focus on the game. Game plan ngayon ni Coach para sa kanyang Shepherdville Rams. We will see if that play will be effective dito sa remaining 4 minutes and 18 seconds ng ating third quarter. Bola ngayon ng ating Tigers. Sablaon to inbound. The ball passes to Arenzana. Arenzana to Lim. Lim ngayon making a play para sa kanyang team. Naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Lim ngayon to Masinas. Fires a long 3. No good. Rebound ngayon ni Duetes to Vivares. Stolen by Lim. 3-on-1 fast break. Sablaon layup. Short. That's gonna be Rams ball.
3 minutes and 57 seconds sa ating third quarter. 47-32 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ang NCF Tigers.
Lesano ngayon papasok, lalabas si Sablaon. Amor to Duetes. Full court man to man ang pinapakita ngayon ng ating Tigers. Duetes almost losing that ball. Double team ngayon. Tigers. Amor penetrates. That's gonna be NCF ball as he turns the ball over. Tatamora will inbound the ball. Passes to Masinas. Lesano ngayon nagdadala ng bola. Lim. Back to Lesano. 14 seconds to shoot. Lesano penetrates. Layup. No good. Pero may foul na nakita ang ating referee. That's gonna be a foul called on number 28. Pushing foul. Two shots ngayon para kay Lezano. Lalabas si Duetes. Papasok si Villanueva. First shot para kay Lezano. No good. Second shot is good para kay Lezano. Villanueva ngayon to Buela. Double team, effective. Turnover, stolen by Lezano. Lezano ngayon going all the way. Layup! It's good! Palazzo foul! And a chance for a 3-point play. Pero Lezano is down, holding his head. I think he hit the floor as he was going down dito sa ating dun sa layup niya kanina. And tumatawag na ng medic ang ating mga staff. Lezano is still down dito, still holding his head as we look at that instant replay. Lezano is okay pero hinahawakan pa rin niya ang kanyang ulo. Still a little disoriented dun pero he will still make a free throw to complete that 3-point play. The coaches are discussing something with the referees together with the commissioner.
And mag-shoutout muna tayo sa ating mga FB Live viewers. Shoutout kay Alfred Tigaon. Galing kay Raymart Daned. And shoutout din nga kay Dave Abitong at Jules Dane. And shoutout din kay Casey Frondozo galing kay Gluent Primo. Yun, ang dami nga fans sa ating FB Live. Halo-halo, andyan yung Tigers and yung mga Rams.
Siyempre partner, yung mga hindi nakapag-attend dito sa ating live audiences, sila naman yung nanonood sa ating mga Facebook page. And siyempre, maraming salamat po sa inyong mga suporta dito sa ating Bucal Season 4. Pero siyempre, don't forget to like and share our Facebook page para marami naman tayong maging audiences dyan sa ating mga Facebook pages.
GNTV-48 Facebook page and Bucala Facebook page. Shoutout din kay Anika Cecilia Franzen Abelia. Shoutout din kay Godfreya Kabangunay Atakador and shoutout kay Carla Parajes. And shoutout din po kay Rani Pagaw and Ran Pads.
And partner, nagdi-discuss pa rin ang ating mga referees together with the commissioner dun sa head coach ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Kitang-kita naman dahil puno na dito yung live audience. Yung iba, grabe nakaabangan na lang sa ating gate dito sa labas nanonood.
Yung ibang partner nasa labas pa ng gate nanonood just to watch this beautiful ball game against ng ating Tigers and ng ating Rams. One shot ngayon para kay Lezano to complete that 3-point play. Lezano does not complete that 3-point play. Rebound ngayon ni Vivares. Back to pace na tayo dito sa ating ball game. Vivares with the ball. Loses it. That's gonna be NCF ball. Beautiful defense there by the Tigers. Struggling ngayon ang ating Shepherdville Rams dito sa third quarter. Lim now to inbound the ball. Passes to Catamora. Catamora to Masinas. Masinas naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Finds Lezano. Still gonna be NCF ball there. 14-second shot clock dito. And substitution. Sablon goes in. Lezano goes out for the Tigers. 14 seconds to shoot para sa ating NCF Tigers. Ariate goes in. Labas ngayon si Catamora. Sablon gets that inbound pero natapik ni Vivares. Bola pa rin ng ating Tigers. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim inbounds the ball. Passes to Ariate. Beautiful pass. Broken defense there by the Rams. What court vision there by Sablaon. Pero Nunez picks up a foul. Foul called on number 10 Arenzana ng Tigers. That's gonna be second personal foul. Malyapre will go in. Lalabas si Masinas. Areño naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Nunez. Back to Areño. Areño loses the ball. Fast break ngayon Ariate. Beautiful jelly layup there by Ariate. 22-point lead na ang ating NCF Tigers. This is turning out to be a blowout game in this semifinals match. Napay steps back. It's a good 4-3 para sa ating Shepherdville Rams.
And meron na lamang tayong 2 minutes and 10 seconds sa ating third quarter. And now let's check in with the Tigers side with our court reporter Kim. Ano ang update mo dyan?
Thank you, Joshua and Francis. Coach Momo may have lauded the efforts of the Tigers for the first half. He still alerted the boys that the following minutes of this game will become more on physicalities and intense contacts. Kaya naman Coach said, when ano man ang kalabasan ng laro, huwag papatol. Remember the very first day of training at their purpose kung bakit nila ito ginagawa. Nakakalamang man so far for this period, the boys were still reminded to intensify their pressure, defense, and communication inside the court. Stay focused, do good shot selection, and level up the play. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim for that update sa ating Tigers bench. And partner, no, still ine-emphasize pa rin ni Coach Momo yung pressure defense na pinapakita nila na napaka-effective dito as they get their 20-point lead dito sa ating ball game na ito.
And pati na rin yung pagkakalma and yung magpapadala sa emosyon kasi physikalan na itong third quarter.
Yes, don't get the intensity inside of your head. Bawal mapikon. And I think there was something na nangyari dito sa center court. I think Areño was called for that foul. Penalty ngayon ng ating Tigers. Malyapre na will shoot 2 free throws para sa kanyang kupunan. First shot of Malyapre is good. Malyapre's second shot is good also. 22-point lead for the Tigers. Nunez naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Napay. Napay pump fakes. Passes to Vivares. Now to Napay as they reload this play. Ariate almost stealing that ball. Now back to Nunez. Napay fires a three. No good. Offensive rebound Areño. Passes to Vivares. Beautiful pass by Areño there. And a two-pointer for Vivares. Ariate now with the ball para sa Tigers. Heavily guarded by Lumabi. That's gonna be an illegal screen. Bola ngayon ng ating Rams. That's gonna be fourth personal foul by Malyapre. Areño, miscommunication there, but open layup, no good pa rin para kay Areño. Struggling ang ating Rams to get the ball inside of the basket. Lim now making a play para sa Tigers. Malyapre with the ball. Penetrates, Malyapre, layup, no good. Pero he has a chance to make two free throws sa charity stripe. First shot ni Malyapre, no good. Second shot is good para kay Malyapre. Substitutions for both sides. Malyapre goes out, Katamora goes in para sa ating Tigers.
36 seconds sa ating third quarter and lamang ng 21 points ang NCF Tigers.
Going fast Vivares for that layup. Still no good. Ariate ngayon, nagmamadali din. Sablaon to Lim. Loses the ball. Retrieved back by Katamora. Fires a quick three. Still no good. And a foul was called. That's going to be a foul called on Sablaon, number 22. Bola ngayon ng Rams. Napay now will shoot free throws para sa kanyang kupunan. First shot is good para kay Napay. Second shot ngayon para kay Napay. That's good. Two shots is good para kay Napay ngayon. Bola ng ating Tigers. 16 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Renzana to Ariate. To Sablaon. 10 seconds to shoot. Sablaon, 5 seconds. Penetrates. Layup. It's good para kay Sablaon. And that's going to be the end of our third quarter. Ang ating score, 59-40. 19-point lead by the Tigers. We're still watching here on GNTV Sports TV. Bucal Season 4 will be right back.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Man-to-man defense na naman. Napakahirap. 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good.
Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. Fourth quarter and lamang na ng 21 points ang NCF Tigers.
Fourth and final quarter dito natin makikita kung makakapaghabol ba ang ating Shepherdville Rams or mame-maintain ng NCF Tigers itong 21-point lead nila. Bola ngayon ng ating Tigers. Lim to inbound the ball and Coach Momo asking the fans ng ating Tigers to give a very loud cheer para dito sa ating Tigers. Fourth quarter underway. Lim ngayon with the ball. Passes to Ariate. Ariate ngayon at Sablon with 14 seconds on shot clock. 10 to shoot. Sablon fires a long three. No good. That's still gonna be NCF ball. 14-second shot clock. Lim ngayon mag-inbound ng bola. Intercepted by Vivares there. Still NCF ball. Lim to Arenzana. Arenzana. It's gonna be a miscommunication. Backcourt violation there by the Tigers. Bola ngayon ng Rams. So 21-point lead pa rin ang hawak ng ating Tigers. 9.5 minutes, 30 seconds of elapsed dito sa fourth quarter natin. Vivares ngayon to inbound the ball. Napay ngayon may hawak para sa Rams. Extra pass to the outside man. Bump fakes. Extra step there by Nunez for that floater. Still no good para sa Rams. Second chance para kay Napay. Still no good. Ariate ngayon may dala ng bola. Passes to Katamora. Loses that ball. That's gonna be a turnover. Napay to Vivares. Alley-oop. No good for that alley-oop pass. Ariate holds the ball. Now in the hands of Lim. Coach Momo asking his team to just relax here. Kill time. Lim to Ariate. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim needs to get a shot. That's going to be a turnover. Napay ngayon with the ball. Layup. It's good. Para sa ating Rams. Quick timeout called here by Coach Momo. 61 to 42 ang ating score dito sa timeout. Fourth quarter, 8 minutes 35 seconds. And partner, no? This is gonna be the last quarter ng ating semifinals match next week. Finals matchup na. Finals na.
Alamin natin ngayon kung sino ba ang makakalaban ng ACC Green Serpents.
Pero sa kalamang ang hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers, it's pretty evident na kung sino ang makakatapat nila para sa championship. And ayan, Coach Momo making his game plan dito kasi nagtawag siya ng timeout and he's not convinced dun sa movements and pacing na ginagawa kanina ng kanyang mga players, and that's why he called this timeout. Pero yan, makikita natin kung magiging effective ba yung mga changes niya as we go back to the ball game. Going back dito sa ating ball game, 61-42 ang ating score. 19-point lead hawak ng ating Tigers. San Gabriel now with the ball. Intercepted, stolen by Napay. Extra pass, and number 11 left. No good, pero may foul na tinawag ang ating ref. Foul called on 24.
Now we want to find out what Coach Momo told the boys during the timeout. We have our courtside reporter Kim for that one. And hi Kim, ano ang update mo dyan?
Well, thank you, Joshua and Francis. This team is capable of coming back, Coach Momo said while pointing to the bench of their opponents, Shepherdville Rams, considering their previous games in this season. The Tigers were reminded that despite their lead so far, mathematically possible, the Rams can still recover. Kahneman coach instructed the boys to run the floor and wind down the clock. Kakampi natin ang oras pero takbuhan pa rin natin sila. So far, our discipline is evident, so keep it that way. Ending the dugout with a loud exclamation of stay focused. Well, that's it for now. Back to the panel.
Yeah, maraming salamat Kim and Chef Parker. Still 8 minutes into this fourth quarter. There is still a possibility na makapag-comeback ang ating Rams. Kaya sabi ni Coach, kill time, just chill. Huwag masyadong magmamadali dito.
And hindi rin magpapakampante.
Yan, Sablaon with that putback two-pointer. And bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. 2 minutes have elapsed here in the fourth quarter. And a foul is called on San Gabriel, number 9. 20-point lead hawak ngayon ng ating Tigers. Lim goes in, Masinas goes out para sa kanyang kupunan. Full court man-to-man defense para sa ating NCF Tigers ngayon. Tukay ngayon, nagdadala ng bola, passes to Vibares. Vibares gets a foul. That's going to be a foul called on Templo Nuevo. That's going to be his third personal foul. Vibares fires a long three-pointer. That's good. Nothing but the net for Vibares. Still showing chances of hope para sa ating Rams. Sablon ngayon. Passes to Lim. Almost losing the ball kay Lim dito. Now in the hands of Mase. Mase asking for a screen here. Penetrates. Sidestep. Layup and no good. Lumabi now with the ball. To Tukay. Yes. Lumabi ngayon. Double team by the Tigers. Tukay needs to get a shot here. He does. Mid-range jumper is good. Para sa Rams. Back-to-back field goals para sa Rams ngayon. Lim. To Templo Nuevo. Back to Lim. Seconds to shoot. Sablon with the ball. Fires a three in front of Lumabi. That's no good. Lumabi ngayon. Passes to Napay. Nabitawan ng bola. Stolen by San Gabriel. 3-on-2 fast break. Passes to Mase. Mase fires a three. No good. Vibares to Tukay. Stolen by Lim. Back-to-back turnovers ngayon para sa Rams. And that's going to be a reach and foul by Lumabi. Substitution yun si Coach Momo. San Gabriel lalabas, papasok si Ariate. Malyapre papasok din. And lalabas si Mase. Malyapre now with the ball. Ariate to Lim. Fires a three. No good. Offensive rebound. Sabla on there. Mid-range jumper. Creating some space. Still no good on that jumper by Sablaon. Napay ngayon. Nagmamadali. Passes to Vibares. Fires a three. No good. Para sa Rams. Other side, reverse layup by Malyapre is good. Vivares, stolen by Templo Nuevo. Ngayon may dala ng bola, Sablaon. Sablaon penetrates, passes to the outside man, fires. No good. Nunez to Vivares. Crosses over his defender, Vivares goes all the way, layup is good. Plus a foul. And a chance for a 3-point play here.
Five minutes and 7 seconds ating a fourth quarter, 65-48 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng NCF Tigers. Now, let's hear from the other side with our courtside reporter, Janelle. Hi, Janelle. Ano ang update mo sa Rams?
For real, the pressure is on for the Rams. Tigers are still dominating this quarter. Nevertheless, the coaches reminded the boys to do and play the Shepherdville basketball and do hard penetration to the ball. Rams need to play no pressure, it's now or never game. Huwag magpapadala sa emosyon at huwag bibigyan ng kumpiyansa ang kabilang kupunani ka nga ng coaches nila. Yun lang ang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle. And ayun nga partner, no? Bumaba na ang kalamangan ng ating Tigers as we were interviewing Janelle. Pero yan, going back sa ating ballgame, 67-51 ang score ng ating ballgame na ito. Napay ngayon. Passes to Amor. Balik kay Napay. Screen there by Nunez. Napay. Passes to the outside man. Amor. Mid-range jumper is good. 53-67 ang ating score. Malyapre na to Rivera. Stolen by Lumabi. Passes to Areño. That's good. There was a foul and a chance again for a 3-point play by the Rams.
Kita sa ating instant replay.
Areño will shoot his bonus free throw. That's good. Completes a 3-point play there by Areño. Templo Nuevo to Ariate. Stolen. Lumabi ngayon. May dala ng bola. Passes to Areño. Pump fakes. Napay there. Fakes again. Fires a three. No good. Offensive rebound Nunez. No good. And a foul there. 2 shots para kay Amor. Malyapre there got his 5th and final foul. He will be excluded from the game here. Amor will shoot his 2 shots. First shot, no good para kay Amor. Setting up here for his final shot, Amor. Both free throws, no good para kay Amor. That's gonna cost him dearly. Ariate now, nagdadala ng bola para Tigers. Passes to Rivera. Rivera ngayon, layup, no good. Second chance to Sablon, still no good. Bola ngayon ng ating Rams. That's going to be a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams. Ang ating score, 67-56. Lamang pa rin ang ating NCF Tigers. This is Bucal Season 4, live at GNTV Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Man-to-man defense na naman. Nakakahawak. 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good.
Shortstopper using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
You are watching a Bucal Season 4 live on a GNN Sports TV 67 at 56 ang ating score and meron na lamang 3 minutes and 41 seconds para sa ating fourth quarter.
11-point lead na lang ang hawak ngayon ng ating Tigers. And Shepherdville can very much still bounce back here. And Areño ngayon penetrates, layup, no good. Pero may foul dito. It's gonna be a foul call on number 24. 2 shots ngayon para kay Areño. Penalty para sa ating Rams. Perfect 2 free throws here para kay Areño would give them a single-digit lead na lang na hahabulin. First shot is good para kay Areño. Second shot para kay Areño to cut it to single-digit lead. It's good! 9 points na lang ang kalamangan ng ating Tigers. Masinas lalabas, papasok si Katamora. 10. Ariate ngayon with the ball. 2 sablaon stolen by Areño. Stolen din ni Ariate. Ngayon Lim. Layup. It's good! Para kay Lim. Kapitan ng Tigers. Napay ngayon. Nagmamadali. Layup. It's good din. Back-to-back punches from the Rams and the Tigers. Katamora almost losing that ball. Passes to Ariate. Ariate. Miscommunication there. That's going to be a turnover for the Tigers. 9-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng Tigers. Less than 3 minutes left dito sa fourth and final quarter. Pasok ngayon si Rito lalabas. Ang isa sa mga players ng Shepherd. Bola ngayon ng ating Rams. Napay with the ball. Mihingi ng screen. Heavily guarded by Lim here si Napay. Layup blocked there by Lim. Ariate with the ball. Now goes to Lim. Lim, half step. That's going to be a foul. Foul on Rito. Two shots here para kay Lim. Oh, Inbound pala. Inbound. Ariate now will inbound the ball para sa kanyang kupunan. Ariate to Katamora. Now in the hands of Lim. Now Ariate here. Lim penetrates. Layup. No good. Second chance here by Katamora. Offensive rebound. Sablon. Fires a three. It's good! Three-pointer by Sablon. Extending their lead there. Back to a double-digit deficit. 12 points by Sablon. Hyping up the fans here at the gymnasium. But there was a foul call there. 2 shots para kay Napay here. Crowd getting excited here at the gymnasium. Napay will shoot 2 free throws here. .12 lead para sa Tigers with that 3-pointer by Sablon. The first shot is good by Napay. 11 points. 2 minutes, 21 seconds remaining. Last shot here by Napay. That's good. Double-digit deficit pa rin. A 10-point lead by the Tigers here. Masinas now with the ball into the hands of Ariate. Katamora to Masinas. Ariate ngayon with the ball. Ariate killing time here. 10 seconds to shoot. Ariate passes to Katamora, loses the ball, and a foul again was called. That's gonna cost NCF here. Foul called on number 27. Oh, foul called on Ariate, number 7. 2 shots here para kay Areño. First shot is good para kay Areño, cutting that deficit to only single digits here. Last 2 minutes, partner, natitira sa ating 4th quarter. Areño staying focused here. With the second shot, it's good. 8-point lead. As Coach Momo calls a timeout here para sa ating Tigers. 7-2. 64 ang ating score. A minute and 59 seconds remaining dito sa ating 4th quarter.
Ayun, titingnan natin kung magpapaulan na ba ng 3 points yung Shepherdville Rams para makahabol sa ating score.
Things are getting intense na ulit dito. Di ba, partner? The 3rd quarter, medyo blowout kanina. Panalong-panalo sa points ang ating Tigers. Pero pagpatak ng 4th quarter, going into the mid 5 minutes, naghahabol na ang ating Rams. They still have a chance here. Only 8 points na lang hawak ng ating NCF Tigers.
Single digit na lang, and tingnan natin kung ano ba ang maibibigay ng, sa loob ng 1 minute and 59 seconds.
And mind you, partner, no? NCF still holds the title dito para sa ating Bucal. And they are still undefeated dito. And this would be a very big upset kung makakapag-bounce back ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Pero makikita natin kung madi-defend ba ng Tigers or will the Rams give us an upset dito sa ating final semifinals match ng ating Bucal Season 4.
Abangan natin yan. Yun, back to the ball game.
Going back dito sa ating ball game here, Ariate now will inbound the ball. Tigers bench here is hyped up as Sablon gets that inbound now to Katamora, pero hiningi ulit ni Sablon. Killing time dito Sablon, 10 seconds to shoot. Sablon loses that, pero bola pa rin ng ating Tigers. 10-second shot clock here. Four seconds to shoot para Lim ngayon. Ay, dala ng bola. Layup. It's gone! Para kay Lim! Back to a double-digit deficit here. Arenyo, nagmamadali. Passes to Napay. No good sa kanyang three-pointer. Rebound ngayon. Katamora, Sablon, nagmamadali. Layup. No good. And a foul was called. Napay will shoot free throws here. Dalawa. NCF band here playing their signature song, The Eye of the Tiger, to hype up the NCF Tigers here and sa lahat ng mga fans nila. Pero ayan, free throws para kay Lumabi ngayon. Lumabi trying to focus here. First shot. That's good. Para kay Lumabi. Silencing the crowd. Taunting them.
May sagot si Lumabi sa crowd.
May sagot. Isa pa. One more time. Single digit lead na rin ulit ang lamang ng ating Tigers. Lumabi here. Trying to cut it to only 8. And yung second shot. In and out. Same ball dito. Bola ng Rams.
Maraming salamat sa 2K viewers sa aming FB Live.
Bola ngayon ng Rams. Rivares to inbound the ball. Passes to Nunez. Double dribble there by Nunez. Fatal error here. Coach will review the play there na nangyari yung double dribble. Referees will go to the back of our management table para tignan kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari doon.
Habang naghihintay, David, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Naga College Foundation, Congressman Gabby Bordado of 3rd District, Mariners Polytechnic and Colleges Incorporated, Pechelitos Resort, owned and managed by Miss Flora Azania, Camsura Viaje, owned and managed by Miss Kea Floriano, Department of Tourism, Region of 5, Regional Director of Mr. Herbie Aguas. Flowers and Beyond, owned and managed by Miss Mars Allen Yante, Wow Worlds of Water. Mangkok's Kinalas, owned and managed by Miss Emeline Salgado. Lemon Residences, located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, owned style graphic design services, Converge ICT Solution.
That's gonna be NCF ball. Call still stays the same. 74-65 score natin ngayon. A minute and 22 seconds remaining. Bola ng Tigers. Katamora down with the ball. To Masinas. Masinas to Katamora. Now to Lim. Trying to kill time here. Ariate with the possession. Now in the hands of El Capitan. Lim penetrates. Passes to the outside man. Sablon penetrates still. No good. Napay. No one to defend him. Layup. It's good. Para kay Napay. 67-74. Less than a minute remaining. Ariate to Sablon. Killing time. Mid-range jumper para kay Sablon here. No good. Offensive rebound. Katamora. Ngayon kay Lim. To Ariate. 40 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Mid-range jumper para kay Lim. No good. Offensive rebound. 30 seconds. Ariate. That's gonna be it. Crowd cheering on their feet para sa Tigers. Sablon, 2-pointer! Crowd on their feet para sa Tigers for that clutch 2-pointer to seal the deal para sa Tigers. Sablon, what a beautiful penetration there.
Hiyawa ng mga fans.
Crowd on their feet. Back to a 9-point lead ang ating Tigers. With only 19 seconds remaining in this fourth and final quarter. NCF bench here cheering as they know that they have a very large lead here, 9 points. Sablon asking the fans to cheer a little bit more para sa kanila. They are ready, partner. Ready na sila para sa championship. Ready na sila para depensahan ang kanilang titulo dito sa Bucal.
And
Pero Shepherd
makikita
ngayon.
muli sila ng ACC Green Serpent.
Yan. Pero Shepherd ngayon with the ball possession. Let's see what's the plan here para sa Rams. Areño passes to Napay. Napay fires a long three. In and out. Offensive rebound to Bares. Midrange. Still in and out. That's gonna be it. Katamoro with the rebound. Killing time here. That's gonna be it. 3 seconds. And that is the ball game. Final score 76-67. Winner and going to the championship, NCF Tigers. Crowd cheering here. Very proud sa kanilang team. NCF showing a lot of emotions. Syempre, and Shepherdville Rams here put up a great fight. We thought this was gonna be a blowout, pero humabol ang ating Rams. Di sila sumuko, cutting the lead ng ating Rams into a single digit. Pero hindi pa rin gumana ang game plan ng ating Rams, and victorious ngayon ang ating Tigers.
And sa ating pagbabalik, abangan natin kung sino ang best player of the game.
Siyempre, partner, we will take a very short commercial break dito sa ating live. Pagbabalik natin yung ating best player of the game ng larong ito. This is Bucal Season 4 live at GNTV Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
man defense na naman. Up, 2-on-1 fast break layup. It's good.
Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. What a save!
We are back alive at GNTV-Naga University Gymnasium. Ito nga, nanalo ang ating NCF Tigers. Kaya, magkikita muli ang ACC Green Serpents and NCF Tigers sa ating finals.
Yes, partner. Pero ayan, nakikita natin dito sa ating center court. Nagsasaya and proud na proud ang NCF Tigers fans sa kanilang mga players dito. And grabe, napakaganda ng matchup na pinakita ng ating Shepherdville Rams against sa ating NCF Tigers. Pero syempre, nanaig ang ating NCF Tigers dito and will proceed to the championship. And ayan, hinihintay na lang natin, partner, yung ating best player of the game dito sa ating game na ito.
And I think kasama na ni Kim ang best player of the game. And our best player of the game is brought to you by NCF Wings, because Tigers can have wings. Yung may mga pangarap dyan na maging flight attendant, ay pwede kayo mag-enroll dyan sa NCF Wings. Kaya naman ngayon, if Kim, ipakilala mo na sa amin ang best player of the game.
Yes, Joshua and Francis, still undefeated so far here in Bucal Season 4 for the NCF Tigers. And of course, a momentous moment for our best player of the game from the home of the champions. We have Rufino Bang Sablon, player number 22 with 25 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Bang, good afternoon. Congratulations. Once again, our best player of the game. I think your fans would agree with me when I say that that was really a banging game performance kanina. Bang, dumaan yung eliminations, quarterfinals, now still victorious for the semifinals. How are you absorbing this fact right now that you guys, the NCF Tigers, is the team that will be advancing to the finals, ang team na makakaharap ng ACC Green Serpents for the championship matches?
First of all po, thankful lang talaga kay Lord sa kanya lahat to. And kung wala po yung support ng NCF community, wala din to. And support ng teammates, coaches, staff. Pero first and foremost, props po sa dati kong team, Shepherd, coach, sa lahat ng organizations doon. Pagod. So, epic game. Yun lang. So, as of now, parang happy kami. So tomorrow we will work on sa finals na. So today mag-celebrate na kami. So this is a win. This is a win for sure.
You deserve to celebrate talaga naman tonight. Eto bang next week kontra tayo, the ACC Green Serpents, start of the championship matches. Ano bang laban ang ibibigay ng NCF Tigers for those matches?
All out. Wala na eh. Finals na to. Lahat ng pinaranas sa amin nung off-season hanggang ngayon, wala, give everything na. Ito na yun eh, finals na for the glory of school. Yun lang po.
Something that we can look forward to next week dito sa Bucal Season 4. Syempre bang, shout out ka naman sa iyong viewers, sa iyong fans na nanonood right now?
Shout out po kay Mama. Birthday niya sa Tuesday. So,
Thank you!
nandito po siya ngayon. Kaya extra motivation din. So, yung mga tropa ko sa Pulanggi, sila Tito, lahat, tita, family ko, sa kapatid ko, si Kuya, lahat ng kaibigan ko, Ligaspi, lahat, Manila, sila Ate Deng, Lula, lahat. Sa jowa ko, si Mayan dito. Hi, May!
Alright, thank you so much, Bang Sablaon, our best player of the game. Once again, this is Kimberly Dialanes, the courtside reporter of the NCF Tigers, only here on Bucal Season 4, live on GNN Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim and congratulations kay Bang Sablaon for being the best player of the game yet again dito sa ating Bucal Season 4. Grabe partner, nothing to say here but excellence in his game. 25 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists and 3 steals. Grabe on the defensive side and offensive side, both efficient si Bang Sablaon.
Ayan, congratulations once again kay Bang Sablaon and sa Naga College Foundation Tigers.
Ayan, and syempre partner, aabangan natin next week ang championship matchup between the ACC Green Serpents and the NCF Tigers. Pero ngayon, this is all of the time we have para sa semifinals match of your Bucal Season 4, NCF Tigers versus the Shepherdville Rams. Ako po si David Joshua Bernales and kasama ko si
Frances Arona Visito.
And tune in next time dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Paalam po.